Alright, now we're going to work on the bottom shell. For this part, I'm using my beige yarn. This piece works up nice and flat. It's a great way to practice increasing the round. Let's start with a magic ring. Into that magic ring, work 6 single crochet. You should have 6 stitches total. Once you have all 6 stitches, gently pull the ring closed. For round 2, we're increasing in every stitch. Work 2 single crochets in each stitch, all the way around. When you finish this round, you'll have 12 stitches. Go ahead and place a stitch marker here. Now, we'll start spacing out our increases. Work 1 single crochet in the next stitch, then 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Repeat that pattern 6 times around. At the end of the round, you should have 18 stitches. For round 4, single crochet in the next 2 stitches, then work 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Repeat this sequence 6 times. You should now have 24 stitches. For the last round of the bottom shell, single crochet in the next 2 stitches, then work 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Repeat this sequence 6 times. By this round, you should have 32 stitches. Alright, that's it for the bottom shell. You should now have a nice flat piece ready to go. In the next video, we'll move on to the next part of a turtle.